Isotretinoin. Introduction. Nodular acne can cause painful bumps and scarring. Select true or false. Correct. Sexually active women need to use one form of birth control while taking isotretinoin. Select true or false. Correct. Only one form of birth control is not enough while taking isotretinoin. All women who are able to have children and might have sex must commit to using 2 forms of birth control. The main goal of the iPledge program is to prevent exposure to isotretinoin during pregnancy. Select true or false. Correct. If you are female and are on isotretinoin, you will need to test yourself for pregnancy using a home pregnancy test once a month. Select true or false. Correct. Home pregnancy tests are not acceptable during an isotretinoin treatment course. You must go to a lab every month to get tested for pregnancy. A healthcare provider asks a patient to take isotretinoin twice a day. If a patient misses the morning dose of isotretinoin, should she take 2 doses in the evening to make up for the missed dose? Select yes or no. Correct. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. Skip the missed dose if it's almost time for the next dose. Do not take 2 doses at once to make up for the missed dose. If you are taking Absorica and you miss a dose, just skip the missed dose. Can you break or crush isotretinoin pills to make them easier to swallow? Select yes or no. Correct. Swallow isotretinoin pills whole. You should avoid sunlight while taking isotretinoin. Select true or false. Correct. Avoid sunlight, tanning beds, and ultraviolet light. When you take isotretinoin, your skin becomes more sensitive to light. How long should you wait to become pregnant after stopping isotretinoin? Choose one of the following options. 1. 1 week. 2. 1 month. 3. 1 year. Correct. You should check with your healthcare provider before getting pregnant. Should you wait at least 6 months after stopping isotretinoin before doing any waxing, dermabrasion, or laser procedures? Select yes or no. Correct. You should wait at least 6 months before having cosmetic procedures that affect the skin. Talk with your healthcare provider about what cosmetic procedures are safe for you. Which of the following serious side effects can be caused by isotretinoin? Choose one of the following options. 1. Psychosis. 2. Increased brain pressure. 3. Vision or hearing loss. 4. All of the above. Correct. Isotretinoin can cause many side effects, both mild and severe. Contact your healthcare provider if any mild side effects become bothersome or if you experience any symptoms of severe side effects. Thank you for using Explain.